Today we'll be learning about percent tables, but first we're going to talk about what a percent is in the meaning. So the word percent means parts per 100. So this base 10 block represents the 100, and these two longs each have 10 individual blocks in them. So therefore this is 10 and 20, and then this 1 makes 21. So therefore, that's 21 out of the 100% that you have. So for my percent table, I'm going to find the missing percent. So for my question, what percent of 50 is 30? So for our percent table, we're going to separate one side for the percent and then the other side for the amount. Now, as we said before, 100% would be equivalent to our amount of 50. And we're going to break this down because we're trying to get this down from 50 to 30. So both of these numbers, 150, can be divided by 10. So 100 divided by 10 is 10, and 50 divided by 10 is 5. So now that we see that we've decreased from 50 to 5, and we have to still increase to get it back up to 30. So now we have to use multiplication. So 10 times 2 is 20. So now we have 20%. And 5 times 2 is 10. So we're just keeping in mind that what you do to one side, you also do to the other. So now if we multiply one more time to get even closer to 30, we would multiply again by 2. So 10 times 2 is 20, and 20 times 2 is 40. Now, since we see how close we're getting, we can take our bottom two numbers and we can add them together. So this 40 plus 20 and 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20 would give us an amount of 30, and the percentage for 40 plus 20 would give us 60. So therefore, 60% of 50 is 30. And we can check this by comparing the part to a whole. So the part would be 30, and 50 would be the whole. So since we are finding the percent and we know that percent is out of 100, we're going to see what we can multiply both of these numbers by, and we see that 50 times 2 would give us 100. And since we're doing that to the bottom, we also have to do that to the top. So therefore, 30 times 2 is 60. So this proportion is 60 over 100, which is also equal to 60%.